So the next question is question number 1 here, which is from engineering mathematics. I'm reading out this question for you. Which of the following is a closed form expression of the generating function of the sequence an, where an equal to 2n plus 3 for all n equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, like this. So they want to know the expression for this generating function an. So just read this question and copy it in your notebook, and after that we will discuss the answer. So I have already written the answer for you. So let's take the gn is the expression, gx is the expression for that function. So this is the function, and according to the rule of infinite series, we can write the expression gx like this: 2n x to the power n, which is x to the power n, and 3 into x to the power n. Okay, so this is the expression of the generating function an. So here a to the x to the power n is appended with both term. So this thing we can write this thing like this: 2 is getting out, and in summation of n equal to 0 to infinity n to the x to the power n plus 3 into x to the power n. Okay, so after that we are degenerating this thing. So like here, when the value of n is 0, we will get 0. When the value of n is 1, we will get x. When the value of n is 2, we will get 2 into x to the x square, like this 3 x cube. Okay, and from this thing we will get 3 into 3 into when the value of n is 1, it is when the value of n is 0, it is 1. X to the power 0 is 1. After that, x to the power 1 x plus x square, like this. So we will get this thing. After that, we are getting x common here, so we get 2x, and after that we will get this term, and here this term. And we know from the infinity series, the formula of this term is this 1 by 1 minus x square, plus for this term the formula is 1 by 1 minus x. So if you simplify this, we will get this thing. So the answer is option D. If you have any confusion, please let me know in the comment section. If you like this video, please share with your friends and follow us on Twitter, like us on Facebook, and thank you.